Okay, so this is part 2 of Bantam Chicken Homecoming. We are clearing out a huge area. We mostly got finished, and I couldn't have been more wrong. I got poison ivy everywhere, and I was out of commission for like over a week. It was awful. It was one of the worst cases I ever got. My wife, though, has the better genetic stock for being immune to said things. So she is going to be the one to do the rest of the work, and I'm going to watch her from a distance doing something more laid back. And I'll come in for a close to trim up my new favorite tree, this Hercules Club. But for the time being, we're going to catch a couple of roosters so our daughter could come in and help too if she wants. You ready to catch some roosters?
I am. It should probably be a time lapse. It's going to take a while. Or it might take a while.
Well, I'm just going to set it up right here with the flamingo in the foreground. And yeah, I can speed it up if necessary, but this is kind of a cool shot. Maybe people will like it. Maybe they'll be like, why is that flamingo in the foreground? What the heck's going on with that?
Let's call back to part 1.
Yeah, dude, call back. If you haven't watched part 1, watch it. And yeah, otherwise, be lame, bro. Okay, we're ready. Don't let the chickens knock over the camera. Very what? Yeah, we're gonna catch the roosters first, okay? And then you can do whatever you want. This is the professor. He's beautiful. He's a good roo. He's never hurt anyone. He's attacked me once or twice. He's gotten punted for it. He's got some nice spurs. What kind of roo is he again?
He's a buff-laced sea bright.
A buff-laced sea bright. I knew that. I think this was the original fighting chicken. Not that that's why we have him. He's a sweetheart.
Why is he a rooster?
Shelby is a self blue or true blue. One of those. Look at these spurs.
But we're gonna pull them
Good
in.
Lord.
Wait, it's just for a little while. They'll come back on their own.
Come
Safe
on.
now.
No, these are not roosters. These are hens. We do keep our distance from roosters, though.
Okay, the roosters are both in there, so they're as long.
Okay, Mom. Tell the people. Give your part 2 introduction.
My part 2 introduction is that immunity to poison ivy trumps being super pregnant as far as workload goes for this particular job. So enjoy watching this walrus trim this bush.
You're pregnant?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think anyone could tell.
No, nobody can tell. Okay.
Are you excited for baby sis? Are you excited to help Mom with this chore? Are you going to be a good helper? Okay, good talk.
Did you bring my printers?
No, I'll go get them now.
from that time lapse. I did that all by myself and only took about 42 seconds. Yeah, hard day's work. We're done now.
How you feeling?
I mean, I'm done. Not we're done. There's no we. I did that myself.
How you feel about it?
I think it looks beautiful.
Okay.
I think this tree is beautiful. It deserved to be freed from that cluster.
And what do you think about our Bantam chickens in this setup? Is this the best setup on the farm for chickens, or what?
I think so. They deserve it. Honestly, they're the least maintenance. They deserve a really good setup. Alright, everyone's happy.
As you can see, we figured out a solution for our guinea problem. They were coming in here and digging into this automatic feeder, and it was just bad news all around. We don't want them in this enclosure. We don't want them overeating. If they overeat, we can't get them to go home, and they have no reason to hunt the bugs, which is the whole reason we employ them on the farm, fleas and ticks. So I took this piece of handy panel and I turned it into a cylinder. I wrapped it with some plastic mesh, and these lower slots are too small for the guineas to fit through, but they're perfect for the Bantam chickens to fit through. So that's a good solution. We love these little 5-gallon bucket auto feeders for these little guys. They're free fed, they do good out here. And the only other thing I really want to talk about, and we won't get into it too deep, but is our chickshaw. This is a Justin Rhodes design with slight modifications, and if it's something you guys are interested in, we could do a whole video just reviewing that. It was a really good build, and yeah, my wife wants me to show you Freckles, which that's Pixie, the white Cornish right there, but that cutie pie is Freckles. Freckles is a
Get back in.
is a what?
Another kind of blue. I don't know. She might be the self blue, actually, whatever that means.
No, she's not blue, is she?
She's one of the blues. We got 3 blues. Go, Freckles, go.
Chunky girl.
Just stay in there. Look at how nice it is.
We have a self blue, a true blue, and a silver blue. She's one of those. We always get them confused.
Shelby, I think, is the, I don't know.
Silver blue, if I'm not mistaken.
And which means she's the self blue, because Puff would have to be
The true blue.
the true blue.
How cool is this Hercules club? I can't freaking get over it. So, the Hercules club,
No, you already did an outro.
or the toothache tree. Do you not understand how this works?
You already did an outro.
The outro can be added at the end. I'm doing filler for the middle of the video. Right now we only have a 2-minute video if we have it your way.
Fine. People love
Oh,
2-minute
dang it.
video.
Hey, can you crow again? Shelby, action. People love a 2-minute video. No one loves a 2-minute
I
video.
do.
I never explained why the Hercules club is called the toothache tree. It is called the toothache tree because the leaves have an antiseptic property that will numb your mouth if you have a toothache. It's pretty dang cool. So that's awesome. Toothache tree, Hercules club, bad to the bone, and now is a good enough time to run our outro.